In today's video, I'm jumping into Steal a Brainrot as a complete noob. My goals for this run are simple but crazy. Earn over 1 million cash, do at least 1 rebirth, and if I'm lucky, find a mythical Brainrot, so without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay, here we are, just spawned in.
Bruh.
The base is minimal, only a few slots for Brainrots. Alright, let's go and buy a Nubini Pizzanini.
Nubini Pizzanini. Nubini Pizzanini. Nubini Pizzanini. Nubini Pizzanini.
I have bought some Nubini Pizzanini, each of them generating me $1 per second. Let's get more.
Nubini Pizzanini.
Next, I'll buy a Really Rilla Rilla.
Liri li la rila. Liri li la rila.
Oh, look, there's an open base. Let's steal a Brainrot.
Gangster Futera.
Run, run, run. He will get me. Let's try again to steal that Brainrot.
Gangster Futera.
He will not catch me this time. Yes, we got it. Wait, this guy is trying to steal my Brainrot. Take this. Okay, let's grind some new Brainrots and continue.
Talpa di ferro. Cucino assassino. Pipi kiwi. Avocadini buffo. Gangster Futera. Ta sahur.
Look at this. Now we can even craft a Brainrot.
Ta sahur.
Alright guys, I was buying some Brainrots and I saw an open base with a legendary Chimpanzini Bananini.
Bananini.
Let's steal this.
Berry bicus dicus bombicus.
Yay, we got it. And what is this guy doing here? Get the hell out of here. Let's start farming again, but I need to be careful this time.
Cappuccino assassino.
Oh my god, I see a mythical Brainrot, but sadly I don't have enough money to buy it. Let's just keep grinding.
Fluriflura. Avocadini antilopini.
I'm trying to play peacefully, but these people won't let me live.
Berry berry bicus dicus bombicu. Chimpanzini bananini. Gangster futera.
Guys, I just found this legendary Brainrot. I'm buying it, and no one better dare to steal it.
Ottopusini. Cacto hippopotamo.
Oh my god, these people are trying to steal my Brainrots. Get the hell out of here. Wait, what did this guy do to me? Oh, hell nah. Oh my god, these guys will not let me live. Wait, he's taking my legendary. Leave it. Ah. Stop, stop, stop. Yes. Finally, relief. Let's continue the grind. Another legendary Brainrot, the Sigma Boy.
Sigma boy.
Oh my god, I see a mythical Brainrot, but sadly I don't have enough money to buy it. Let's just keep grinding.
Salamino penguino.
And there we go. We hit the 1 million money mark. And now we can do a rebirth. Three, two, one, let's go. Rebirth. That was insane. I went from basic Brainrots, got raided others back, stole high tiers, and even did a rebirth. Steal a Brainrot is all about risk versus reward. High tension, big payoffs, but you're always vulnerable. If you love this run, drop a like, hit subscribe, and tell me in the comments, which Brainrot should I hunt next? Or what defense strategy should I try?